Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the planet Venus. On the 8th of December 2021, the planet Venus has entered the Capricorn sign. And the most significant about this transit of Venus is that Venus is in Vargottama sign. I mean, Venus is transiting in the Capricorn sign in the natal chart, in the birth chart, as well as Venus is transiting Capricorn sign in the Navamsha chart. That is the D9 chart. So this Venus becomes very powerful and it is gonna give fabulous results to people. Venus represents a lot of things. It represents relationships. It represents women. It represents wife of a man. It represents the lover of a male. It represents beauty, charisma, pleasures, addictions. It represents glamour. It represents the brighter side of life. It represents your sexual organs. And it represents the ability of a woman to have children in her life. So at this point in time, the planet Venus will be very powerful and it will be Vargottama from 8th of December 2021 until 29th of December 2021. Another important feature during the Venus transit is that it will be with its friend Saturn, and Rahu will be aspecting the planet Venus as well. And Rahu is also a fast friend of the planet Venus. So two friends are gonna support this planet Venus at this point in time. So Venus at this point in time is gonna be very powerful. It is gonna be very effective for people who want their Venus to benefit them in their lives. Every planet in our horoscope plays an important role in our lives. I mean, every planet in the horoscope influences our life every day. And at this point in time, this planet Venus will magnify itself in our lives. Well, seeing the planetary positions and seeing the transit of Venus in the Capricorn sign and its Vargottama position, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that you must know and understand that you are a masterpiece. You must know and understand that you are a masterpiece because you are the piece of the master. That is Almighty God. If you want, you can do anything in this world because you are the piece of the master. Because if God can do what he or she wants to do, then we being God's children can achieve and accomplish anything in this world because we have the same DNA of God in us. We have been created in the likeness and image of God. And God has given us authority and dominion over everything on the face of this earth. So, let me tell you that you are not ordinary. You are not an ordinary human being because you are the child of God. You must realize at this point in time who your daddy is, who your mama is. And if you realize that you are the son of God or the daughter of God, then you have the abilities to accomplish, to achieve anything in this world. You should stop comparing yourself with others. You came to this planet to be you and not an imitation of someone else. If others have achieved a certain thing, then you can also achieve it. If they can do it, you can do it also. So my point is, don't underestimate yourself at this point in time. You need to develop a strong ego at this point in time. And you need to think that you are the son of God, you are the daughter of God, and you also have certain powers which God has. So don't make that mistake of underestimating yourself at this point in time. Here is something else for y'all. I want to tell y'all that at this point in time, when Venus is in the Capricorn sign, you need to hold on to what you are doing. I mean, you shouldn't give up your present for your future. Whatever you are doing at this point in time, you must hold on to it. You know, a bird in hand is worth two in a bush. So for example, if you are doing a job and a better job opportunity comes your way, then don't fall into that trap and continue your present job at this point in time. You know, you could apply this formula in any area of your life. Suppose if you are in a love relationship and tomorrow you get a better girl or a boy at this point in time, then you shouldn't leave your current boyfriend or girlfriend for a new relationship. I mean, for a new love relationship. So hold on to your current status in your life meticulously and don't try to get something which is not under your control. I mean, which is something new to you. At this point in time, you shouldn't blame others for your failures and disappointments. I think at this point in time, it is time for you to reflect on your life. You need to reflect on your life and understand what your life problems are, what are your weaknesses, and then start working on them. Don't blame others for your failures and disappointments. Don't complain about your life at this point in time. And if you blame others for your failures and disappointments, then you will not be able to rectify your mistakes, your flaws, your weaknesses in your life. In other words, the problem is with you. Your habits, your choices, your behaviors. You know, it is time for you to introspect yourself at this point in time. You need to make a SWOT analysis of yourself. I mean, your strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats in your life. And you need to start working on them. And don't blame others for your failures and disappointments, because it is you who has brought you to such a situation. You know, wherever you are in life, you made an appointment to be there. So take responsibility of your life at this point in time and try to decipher your weaknesses. Try to recognize your faults in your life and start working on them. You know, the people you are blaming for your failures and disappointments, they are not gonna come and help you to rectify your mistakes. So it is useless to blame others at this point in time. You know, the only person who can help you is you. And as you know that the planet Venus represents relationships. So at this point in time, you need to forgive all those people with whom you have an animosity, with whom you have an acrimony, with whom you have an enmity. Forget about those differences which you are having in your life and forgive others at this point in time. Be large-hearted and forgive others at this point in time. You know, I agree that it takes a very strong person to admit their mistake and apologize. But it takes a stronger person to forgive them. So become a stronger person at this point in time. This is your real power. You know, unforgiveness is just like drinking a poison yourself and expecting the other person to die. You know, if you don't forgive others, then it destroys you more than it destroys the others. So it is time for you to take off that baggage off your shoulders, off that unforgiveness. You know, it may so happen that the others have moved on, but you are still holding on to those grudges, that animosity, that acrimony against those persons. Don't keep that anger or bitterness anymore in yourself. Maybe the other person whom you haven't forgiven has moved on with his or her life and you are still stuck in that pit of unforgiveness. So at this point in time, try to forgive others for their mistake, because no one is perfect in this world, not even you. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this Venus transit in the Capricorn sign, when it will become Vargottama. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology, and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, Well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you want to increase your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to enhance your luck in your life, because luck plays a very important factor in our lives. And if you want to boost that luck, then I have several remedies for you. My remedies are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, and religious remedies, which can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. And if you want me to pray for you, prayer can move mountains. And if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, success, prosperity, business, job, career, relationships, love relationships, health, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. And if you want a Vastu visit of your flat, office, residence, or factory, then also you can contact me. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great time ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.